Welcome you guys on my YouTube channel Pharma Learning with Deepika. In my previous video lectures on size reduction, I had discussed equipment which is used for size reduction, that is ball mill, hammer mill and fluid energy mill. The link of my previous videos is in the description box. Now I will discuss with you about another size reducing equipment which is cutter mill. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please go and subscribe it and share my videos with your friends and family members. Rotary cutter mill or cutter mill based on the principle of cutting with sharp knives. Now let's talk about the construction of rotary cutter mill. Cutter mill is a size reduction equipment consisting of a series of uniformly spaced knives. These are the uniformly spaced knives. They are 2 to 12 in numbers, attached to a horizontal rotor which act against a series of stationary knives attached to the mill casing. This is the casing. The bottom of the mill has a screen attached to control the residence time of a particle inside the mill head. This is a screen. Size reduction process involves successive mechanical shearing of the feed material with the help of sharp knives. Cutter mill produce coarse particles from dried granulation before tableting or fibrous crude medicine prior to extraction. Particle size are determined by rotor size or the gap between the two sets of knives and the screen or sieve. Although cutter mill may differ from one another in whether the knives are movable or fixed and in classified configuration, two cutting mill subclasses have been identified, that is double runner disc mill and single runner disc mill. Now let's talk about the working. So rotor disc rotate at 200 to 900 rpm and feed material is loaded through the hopper. This is the hopper from where we can load the material whose size has to be reduced. Material is cut between rotating and stationary knives in small pieces. Therefore, particle pass through the screen. Product is collected in the receiver. Now, let's talk about the uses. Size reduction of the tough and fibrous material is finer than 80 to 100 mesh size. Example, medicinal plant parts and animal tissue. It also used in manufacturing of rubber, plastic, recycling of paper waste and plastic material. Now let's talk about the advantages. It is a simple setup, easy to clean, operate and maintenance cost is less due to the less complicated machinery involved. Operation is continuous, less wear and tear, good for coarse grinding, wide range of materials and sieve being detachable. Different size can be used as per the need. Now let's talk about the disadvantages. So cutter mill is not suitable for most pharmaceutical applications due to the formation of wide particle size. It is not easy to clean after use. Thank you guys for watching. Meet you with the next video. Stay safe and healthy. Till then, bye bye. Take care.